Welcome to our roundup of the best concrete saw options. Whether you're a contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone looking for reliable cutting power for masonry, asphalt, or reinforced concrete, we have selected top-rated concrete saws that deliver precision, strength, and modern features. We will break down each model's key specifications, such as motor power, blade size, cutting depth, portability, and ease of use, to help you find the perfect fit for your project needs. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let us dive in and find the ideal concrete saw for you. The first on the list is the Evolution R10DCT, cordless 10-inch concrete saw. This cordless powerhouse is designed for users who need both mobility and cutting strength. Its brushless motor delivers excellent performance while maximizing battery efficiency, allowing you to cut through reinforced concrete, stone, or brick with ease. The 10-inch diamond blade offers precise cuts up to 3.9 inches deep, making it versatile for different job types without being overly bulky. A standout feature is its cordless lithium-ion power system, which eliminates the need for cords and generators, offering freedom of movement on site. The ergonomic handle and balanced weight distribution make long cutting sessions more comfortable, while integrated water feed compatibility helps minimize dust for cleaner, safer cutting. Overall, the R10DCT is an excellent choice for professionals who want cordless convenience without sacrificing cutting power. Next up is the Skillsaw SBT79-00 15-amp Medusa worm drive saw. This model is a favorite among professionals who want uncompromising durability. Powered by a 15-amp dual-field motor, it provides steady torque and reliable cutting for tough concrete applications. The Medusa is engineered with a worm drive gearing system, which delivers high torque at lower speeds, reducing motor strain while ensuring precise cuts. One of its most impressive features is the integrated wet/dry dust management system, which allows you to cut with water or dry while keeping visibility clear and dust under control. With a cutting depth of 2 inches and a durable 7-inch blade, it is ideal for scoring concrete slabs, sidewalks, and driveways. The Medusa is built with a plunge capability for controlled starting points and a rust-resistant die-cast aluminum housing for long-term use. Overall, this saw stands out for its professional-grade reliability and dust management system, making it perfect for contractors who need a job site-ready tool. Next, we have the StreamPower US 3200W electric 16-inch circular saw. This is a high-power electric option designed for heavy-duty projects where maximum cutting depth is required. With a 3,200-watt motor, it delivers massive cutting power that handles dense concrete and stone with ease. The 16-inch blade provides a cutting depth of up to 5.5 inches, making it suitable for deep cuts in thicker materials. What makes this model particularly practical is its dual integrated water lines, which provide constant cooling and dust suppression, extending blade life and improving cut quality. Although larger and heavier than most models, the robust steel construction and ergonomic handles ensure stability during operation. While its weight may make it less portable, it compensates by offering unmatched power and deep cutting ability. Overall, the StreamPower US 3200W is ideal for users tackling demanding projects that require both depth and consistency in performance. Coming up next, we have the Evolution R12DCT 12-inch concrete saw. This model is engineered as a step up from its smaller sibling, delivering more cutting capacity without compromising on control. Equipped with a 12-inch diamond blade, it allows for cutting depths of up to 4.7 inches, making it versatile enough for concrete, asphalt, and stone applications. The high-torque motor ensures consistent cutting performance, while the lightweight design helps reduce operator fatigue during extended use. Another standout feature is the built-in water suppression system, which connects easily to a standard hose and reduces dust for safer, cleaner operation. At just over 21 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and power, making it suitable for both professional and home use. Overall, the Evolution R12DCT is a reliable midsize saw that offers a great blend of cutting capacity, comfort, and dust control. The last one on our list is the Vever electric concrete saw. Designed with practicality and affordability in mind, the Vever offers strong performance at a budget-friendly price. It comes equipped with a 15-amp motor, delivering steady cutting power for tasks such as concrete walls, floors, and brickwork. Its 14-inch diamond blade provides cutting depths up to 5 inches, making it capable of handling a wide range of projects. What sets this saw apart is its dual water feed system, which helps minimize dust and keeps the blade cool, improving both safety and efficiency. The saw's ergonomic handle design ensures better grip and stability during use, while the steel guard housing enhances durability. Overall, this is a smart pick for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, or professionals looking for a dependable and affordable cutting solution. So, that wraps up our roundup of the best concrete saws available right now. Whether you prioritize cordless convenience, professional grade torque, deep cutting capacity, or budget friendly reliability, there is a model here to suit your needs. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay connected.